Right, this is my close-up effort of picking a HU66 Audi lock, the new type with wafers in pairs. I'm going to be using the Easyshare HU66 new pick. First of all, put the pick in, and without putting any pressure on, just feel you've got a sprung wafer in each of the 4 locations. Once you're happy with that, you know the pick is in the right way round. On these I use a small amount of tension. This is wafer 3, and then wafer, sorry, that was wafer 1 and wafer 2. And 6, no movement. Wafer 3 is still got spring in it, so I'll go to the back of the lock. Wafer 8, wafer 7, no movement. Back to wafer 4, and back to wafer 3. We'll have another go.